Do you want to earn $100 a day with AI tools? In this tutorial, I'll show you how. By using 3 specific tools, you can start today. First, let's explore the tools. Start with ChatGPT, also known as GPT-5. This tool helps you write blog posts and scripts. Offer these services on Fiverr or Upwork. Clients usually pay $20 to $50 per project. Complete a few projects daily to hit your target. Use ChatGPT to speed up your work. Always personalize your content before sending it. Next is Canva Magic Studio. This tool is excellent for visual design. Create social media posts, logos, and presentations. Sell your custom designs on Etsy. Offer branding packages for small businesses too. With just a few orders, you can earn quickly. Canva handles most of the design work for you. Finally, check out OpusClip or Pika Labs. These tools turn long videos into engaging shorts. They add captions, transitions, and effects. Charge $50 to $100 per short video for clients. You can even use it to grow your own brand. Let's summarize what you've learned. ChatGPT is for writing, Canva for visuals, and OpusClip for videos. Focus on one tool and turn it into a side hustle. The AI revolution is here, so start now. Create your own success story today. Remember, you can earn $100 a day with these tools. Don't wait, begin your journey now.